And here I am at Kierfiold Walled Garden. It's a beautiful garden that features in my book, The Gardeners of Orkney, because John Sinclair and his son, also John Sinclair, were gardeners here, and this is one of the apple trees that they planted. Obviously they planted several along this wall, but this one is still here. I just find that wonderful. And obviously this garden has changed over time, but you know, you've still got these massive walls and wonderful planting. This is part of Scotland's garden scheme open today, and there's several gardens in Orkney open over the next few weeks, and 60% of the admission price goes to a charity chosen by the people who are kindly opening their gardens. And I'm going to have a quick look round because it's very busy, and which is good, but I went to get pictures. So on the right is a very tall fuchsia hedge. Fuchsia grows profusely in Orkney. It's fantastic for creating windbreaks, and this is so sheltered in here. And look at this planting. I just love these drifts of plants. This is just gorgeous. And of course, lots of birds. And then this garden is gardens within gardens, and there's lots of little gardens that you can wander off into. And so I'm going to wander. And Kierfiold House was part of the very large Breakness estate, which belonged to, well, you might have heard of him, William Graham Watt, who rediscovered Skara Brae after that incredible storm revealed it. So that's probably why most people know of the Watts, but indeed they were quite innovators when it came to trying out new crops and new ideas, planting up fields with varieties of crops that they thought might do well, erecting a mill which is now no longer there because it's fallen into the sea, and that was originally for linen, flax growing and linen, but unfortunately that was a boom and bust story in Orkney. And this little garden here is very, very sunny and warm, and you'll see the different kind of planting. Like the summer house here in seated areas. It's just glorious. Here we are into another garden within a garden, and again a different kind of layout here, different plants, lots of little stepping stones for moving across, and a seat there for just so you can sit back and absolutely appreciate the whole of it. It's just great. I visited this garden last year, and this area was just getting developed, and just in a year it's already really coming on. The plants are filling out over the edges, the pond is looking good and healthy. Lovely little seating area up there for just sitting back and watching a bit of lovely water. It's got stone steps up into it, and there's planters round about planted up as well. But you know, nice different area again. And the fuchsia hedge that I mentioned before, you see it, it gives all this extra shelter from the winds in Orkney, because although this is a walled garden, the winds would still whip through it, and the fuchsia just breaks that up, just stops that happening. So it's just absolutely beautiful in here.